Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of this app has been blocked for your protection and administrator has blocked you from running this app in Windows 11, Windows 10 or Windows 8. The process is the same here. So to fix this problem, first you need to go to the search bar, search for registry editor. So you need to type here regedit, REGEDIT, and as you can see here's the option of registry editor. Open it, to double click on it. Then you need to click yes here. After opening the registry editor, first you need to go to this HK local machine. As you can see, there's an arrow option here. Click on this arrow button to expand that HK local machine. Then you need to go to the software option. Click on this arrow button to expand it. Then you need to find Microsoft here. As you can see, here's the Microsoft. Again, expand the Microsoft option. Here you need to find the Windows option here. So you need to scroll down. And after finding the Windows, expand the Windows option, click on the arrow button. Then you need to go to the current version here, click on the arrow button and expand it. Then you need to go down and find policies here. Here as you can see policies, again click on the arrow button to expand the policies. Then in the policies, you will find the system option here. So you need to click on the system option here, click on it. And in the right corner here, we'll find the option called enable LUA. So you just need to double click on it. And here you'll find a value data option, edit dword. So you need to change this value data to 0 here. Then click OK. After that, you must restart your computer to turn off user account control. So then you just need to restart your PC. Go to the start button and restart your PC, and after that the setup installation error will be fixed here. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.